Hello everyone, I'm Prajakta. So I'm Sai's client for her weight loss journey, and I'll try to highlight a few points about my journey so far with Sai and what I have accomplished, and I'm a happy person today. So first I'll go with why and how I started with it. So I was already a mother of 1.5-year-old child who had gained a lot of weight in her postpartum and who was willing to go to the pre-pregnancy weight, but somehow because of work, because I'm a working mother of work responsibilities, house responsibilities, and a baby's responsibility, which was my most priority thing. I couldn't manage it up. Everything. My health was given a second priority amongst all of these things. I used to see her posts on WhatsApp and everywhere, like how she's like managing and tackling with these kind of weight loss things. And I used to read about her stories, and I used to feel that this is inspiring and this is something which is consistent. Out of all the fancy diets we see in market, I used to think that this is something I should try it. But I was again, as a human being, I was skeptical. Will it work or not? And again, if at all I'll try it, will it some or the other way harm my body? So I was like, let's not. I was pushing myself back, not to try it. But when that peak moment came up, when my baby was about to turn 2, and I was like, this is enough. I need to do something to gain my pre-pregnancy weight. And the same time, I saw Sai's post regarding a 1 month kind of a program just to try on. So that moment hit, and both the opportunities came up, and let's give it a try. So that way I started doing it, and I had first consultation with Sai about that, and she told me everything that what we will be going to do. I told her my requirements, that I won't be having non-veg, I won't be having whey protein, I don't want any of that fancy or unnatural things that I feel. I want only veg. I can go till egg, but not beyond that. Um, so she said, it's absolutely fine. This is a great start and we can do it. And still, you can achieve what you want. So, what else I want? So, we started with it. And first week, so Sai will first, she'll give you all the comfort zone. I mean, she'll try to understand your likings, dislikings, your food, food variety of food that you have, whatever fruits you like, and everything. She'll get all of the details, and she'll make a beautiful plan of diet that you should have. She won't come up and give you a 1 month of diet and do this every day, every week. She'll go and check it and change it. Every day I used to send her my meal photos, and show her that today I ate this, I ate that. Of course, day by day it improved, but week one journey was like, I was skeptical. How will it work? Having just a paneer or sprout moong bhaji, and I used to send her inches measured every week, and the way it used to increase, I mean, my inches were getting reduced day by day, and nothing was imposed on me that if I had even sweet cravings, fine, you eat it, but the quantity of what you eat, that matters. Even eating one kaju katli or five kaju katlis, that matters. So you can have one kaju katli and I have your mind satisfied. The thinking really matters, and that's how Sai works on it, and that is called as mindset and manifestation sessions that she takes us up. She used to take up every week. So that used to really change my mindset. Okay, what I want to be at this moment, I'll have to accept the way I am, and going forward, what I want to achieve, that should be kept somewhere in my mind, and I should work on that path that I'll achieve it. So that way it started. I used to eat paneer, I used to eat sprouted moong, especially. Initially, I used to feel like, okay, will I be able to do it? I used to add paneer to any regular sabzi that is made. Consider a shev bhaji gravy, for example. I didn't used to add shev to it. To that gravy, I used to add paneer and let me have it, because being a working mother, having, because every time making something different for you is difficult. So I used to manage up that way, getting the paneer from market and adding it to whatever it is made. That's all I used to do. Even having khichdi and kadhi, I used to add paneer to my khichdi and eat it along with kadhi. So that those were the simple ideas I used, and that's fine. And they gradually really work up on your body, and it really consistent because I'm being a pitta pravritti person. I used to get hungry at like 11. Even if I had breakfast at 9, I used to feel hungry at 11, 11:30. And then again after having lunch at 1 or so, I used to feel hungry at 4 or 5. So these things gradually reduced after having more of protein intake and less of carbohydrates. We didn't reduce or we didn't make carbohydrates as zero, but the carbohydrates quantity was reduced. Instead of that one, if I used to have 3 fulkas, I used to have 2 fulkas, and for that 1 fulka, protein was replaced. So that way it worked for me. And even to this my journey, for during this journey, I had two unwanted events, or I'd say two unnatural things happened into my family, where I had to leave my diet for almost a month, and I had to be on whatever was made at home, and I had to go with it. But even during this time, uh, I didn't gain weight; it was stable, even if I was not following diet. So that is what is most important into size shaping weight loss journey, where consistency matters. And again, I would add it to like mindset and manifestations that she teaches. That's a very beautiful thing that really cultures you onto how to behave and how you would proceed. The confidence she tries to build in you is more important when having this diet. I never had time for exercises. I never did it. Instead of just simple exercises she suggested to me, which I was not even really regular with it, just this diet thing, having more protein and less carbohydrates, and only all of the natural sources, not whey protein or nothing. And now at this moment, after these many days, the situation is everything, like my sweet cravings are all completely gone. I don't have any cravings. Even I'm second time pregnant now. uh, I don't have any sweet cravings as of now. I'm having very balanced diet even in my pregnancy, and that's the most beautiful thing that I have got after this weight loss journey. And I feel very fortunate to be part of this journey, and I'm really lucky to have Sai, because Sai had been always helpful to me even in my pregnancy starting journey. I told her my problems with diet and everything and nausea. She happily convinced me with manifestation things that how you can deal with them, and really it changed my pre-pregnancy clothes. I has to I had to do fittings to my dresses this many inches from both the sides, and it really matters a lot for a girl to have all those things done. And it was a complete new wardrobe that I had to buy, and uh, the confidence was rebuilt. I used to feel the way I used to be. And yeah, that's the most important thing I feel. So thank you so much, Sai, for this